One of the things that's really fascinating about Gurbani is that there are so many words to describe what we would call God or the divine or the universal consciousness. And some of those words have a masculine quality to them, some of those words have a feminine quality to them, and some of those terms are gender neutral. When we look at Japji Sahib, Guru Nanak in the 16th through the 19th Pauris is really observing, reflecting, and commenting on the creativity of the universe. And there are specific lines that repeat or variations that repeat through the 16th, 17th, 18th, and 19th Pauris, and we're going to talk a little bit about those today. So this line, Kudrat Kavan Kaha Vichar Varianajava Ekavar. All right, what does that mean? Kudrat. Kudrat is actually an expression of the divine feminine, and it has to do with the multiplicity and of creativity, okay? We can say that God is one, but the creation is vast and changeable, and so many different kinds of roses, or so many different kinds of trees, so many different kinds of people. And that creativity that's so diverse is what Kudrat is referring to. And so Guru Nanak's talking about his awe when he had his enlightenment experience of seeing just how vast and amazing that Kudrat energy is. So he says, Kavan, how, kaha, speak, vichar, wrestle with, explain, understand. So he's saying, I see this Kudrat, I see this creativity, and I don't have any idea how I can talk about it or how I can understand it, with my psyche. It's so vast and it's so amazing that the universe is so much bigger than what we can speak or see, and it's coming from that divine feminine, the divine creative principle. Then the next line is Varya Najava Ekavar. So Varya means to sacrifice, and this is an interesting idea in Gurbani that comes up a lot. Guru Nanak will talk about sacrificing himself, and I think it comes from a place of love. Like, how can, even if I give everything that I am, that's what my life is for, to give all that I am to this divine vision I've seen. But he says, Varya Najava. So Najava is sort of a negating term. So he sees this Kudrat, and he says, Ik is once, Vard is time. He says, this is so huge, I can't even sacrifice myself one time for it. There's nothing I can do in my finite human form that could equal the amazement of this divine creativity that's being created that I've seen in my vision of life and the universe and everything.